You guys voted for it, all 8 of you. You want to see me recreate my makeup from 2016. So prepare to be disappointed, because this is what my makeup looked like in 2016. But if you would still like to see me recreate this look and go back in time, then just keep watching this video. I have my shirt ready. You can see I wore a lot of gray tones, and this is a shirt that I actually bought in 2016. I've got my bun. When I was doing this hairdo, it was really a throwback to 2016, where I just try to get my hair as on top of my head as humanly possible in a ponytail, and then I tease it, and then I wrap it around. I also have my accessories to go with it. So I have these little tentacle earrings that I got from Hot Topic and still own and still love. They're like faux gauges, love them. Okay, are we feeling like 2016 yet? Because I am. In terms of makeup, things were pretty boring. I do not think I used a primer in 2016. Foundation, which probably would have been anything I could find at Dollar General. I don't have any of those right now, but I do have the L'Oreal True Match. Mine is in the shade 05 Neutral Light. I'm pretty sure I used a Real Technique sponge, the orange one. I have a pink one. I probably did like this. And see, we're already out of foundation. Makeup has come a long way since what I was using in 2016. I wasn't aware of the beauty community on YouTube at the time. Closest I got to that was Jenna Marbles. Oh my god, I look like myself in 2016. It's so disturbing. I don't think I really used concealer, and if I did use concealer, it would have been too dark. I would have just put it underneath my foundation. You can see my purple under eyes in all of those pictures, so I'm just gonna leave it at this. I think I definitely did powder, and I probably would have just powdered next. I'm gonna use this powder foundation from JCat Beauty just because it definitely wouldn't have been a loose powder. I legitimately have no idea what the next step would have been, but probably my eyebrows. I used to pluck the crap out of my eyebrows. My eyebrows were so thin, and I just used eyeshadow for them at the time. So I definitely would just start at the tail. This is the most horrible thing I've ever experienced. And then I think I'd take it about like that far, and that's where I thought my eyebrows ended, so I just like stopped. So I didn't know anything about blush or bronzer or any of that in 2016, so the next step I think is gonna be eyeshadow, which I didn't always wear eyeshadow, but if I did, I would use these 2 quads that I had. There was a grayscale quad and a brown scale quad, and that's what I would use. I'm gonna be using the exact same brush that I used back in 2016. It is from Wet n Wild. This is probably good. Just this like singular brown. This was the look. And every eyeshadow was the same brush. I only had the one brush. Maybe a little bit underneath, you know, really gotta get that dead tired look, you know. Next is eyeliner. I'm gonna do my best. I've always used the same eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner. It's the same eyeliner I used in 2016. Probably mostly gonna try and match this one and this one. But I did go all the way across my eyelid. I feel like that's pretty good, actually. Okay. Last but not least, the most important part. If I ever wore lipstick, it would be a mauvey pinky berry color, which I stay very far away from these days. I didn't overline my lip. I am using a lip liner today only because the lipstick I have is really not that mauvey, but this lip liner is. I want to murder myself right now. It's horrendous. This lipstick's really not the best. But I feel like you guys can get the vibe. Are you happy with what you've made me do? This is it. What do you think? This is, I'm kind of speechless. This is really what I looked like in 2016. My hair was black, and other than that, this is pretty accurate. It feels weird, it looks weird. The hair is still not it. Like, it's not it. I did not have my septum pierced, but I did wear fake septum rings a lot, so I feel like that's fine. I don't need to change it, other than it's gold, and back then it definitely would have been silver. How? I feel like I did a pretty good job. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and giving me this little trip down memory lane. I hate it. Yeah, so this is my makeup from 2016 to the best of my abilities. As you guys can tell, I really went for like the undead look. I'm gonna go now. You know, everyone is saying that 2026 is the new 2016, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't think that I want to go back to 2016. I think I'll stick in 2026 for now. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun and not too cringy to watch. I had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed doing this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!